solar-powered rotating car diffuser and purifier. Designed with a simulated engine look, this solar-powered diffuser brings both style and function to your car. It uses solar energy to rotate, no charging needed, while helping purify the air. Diffuse fragrance and maintain freshness inside your vehicle. Compact and easy to use, it adds a unique decorative touch while keeping the environment more pleasant for drivers and passengers. A smart, eco-friendly accessory that combines design, freshness, and convenience for anyone who spends time on the road.